नमस्कार. गोमंतक टीव्हीच्या साष्टीकार ह्या कार्यावळीत तुमकां सगळ्यांक येवकार. सद्याक जे आमचे गोंयकार जाणी आपल्याक फॉरेन पुर्तुगेज हे घेतिल्ले नॅशनलिटी तांकां OCI दर्जो तांकां मेळपाक जाय तो दिवपा खातीर थोडे आडखळी आयिल्ले. ते पयर एक सर्क्युलर काडून आमचे केंद्रीय परराष्ट्र वेव्हार मंत्रालयान ताजेर उपाय काडला आनी ह्या विशयाचेर आतां परत आनीक सद्याक चर्चा आयल्या की हो उपाय म्हणटा तो सामको फायनल उपाय काय हो तात्पुरतो उपाय आनीक हे उपायाचेर क्लॅरिटी आसा काय ना हाजेर हे आसा. आनीक होच इश्यू घेवन गोवन्स फॉर गोवा ह्या संस्थेन हो इश्यू घेवन पुराय गोंयभर ताची जागृती केल्ली आनी त्या संस्थेचे अध्यक्ष कॅनेडी बाब आफोन्स आमचे बरोबर. कॅनेडी येवकार तुका कॅनेडी तुका याद आसतली की आमी ह्याच प्लॅटफॉर्मा वयल्यान ह्या इश्यूचेर हाजे पयलीं उलयले आतां आनी आय थिंक दॅट वॉज आय बिलीव स्टार्टींग जो आमचे हे करता इग्नायट जाता पळय इश्यू दॅट वॉज स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम दीस डिबेट ओनली. सो नाव वी आर आफ्टर दीस सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट्स डिसिजन वे परत हांगा आमी उलोवपाक आयल्यात. पयलीं म्हाका एक सांग, आर यू सॅटिस्फायड वीथ दीस सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटान जें कितें हें केलां issue?
We are satisfied that finally all issue resolved जाला. Resolve म्हणजे partially resolved जाला. सगळो totally resolved जावंक ना. What has been resolved is the revocation and the denial of OCI issue. म्हणजे जे रिवोक जाला त्यांचो इश्यू सुटावो जालो. म्हणजे तांकां पयले ते म्हणटाले सरेंडर सर्टिफिकेट नासतना तेंच्यांनी एप्लाय करूंक जायना म्हणून. पूण आतां ह्या नव्या सर्क्युलरा प्रमाणे रिवोक्ड ऑर्डर घेवन तेंच्यांनी OCI अप्लाय करूंक जाता. सो तेंचो हो प्रश्न सुटावो जालो. बट दुसरो प्रश्न उरला मिन्स एज पर द अर्लियर सर्क्युलर 2022 30 नोव्हेंबर आयिल्लो तो तेजे प्रमाणे ते कितें म्हणटाले ते एनीबडी हू हॅज रजिस्टर्ड द असेंट इज अ सिटीजन ऑफ पोर्चुगल. सो असले असेंट करून आमच्या गोंयांत सुमार 1.5 लाख लोक आसतलो, स्पेशली सिनियर सिटीजन्स हू हॅड registered their birth in Portugal simply because they wanted their children to get the benefit. So आता ते इंडिया आहा. So how do we resolve the situation?
We will issue by issue we will discuss on this. That is two separate issues. First is that revocation, and because of this revocation they used to seized the Indian passport and they are not means तांकां पोर्चुगीज पासपोर्ट मेळनाशिल्लो. सो देर कंटेन्शन वॉज दॅट ते धड इंडियेचे सिटीजन न्ही आनी धड पोर्चुगीज सिटीजन न्ही अशें तरेन तांचो एक हे आशिल्लो. आनी हे करपाक लागून सामकें जवळपास 18 म्हयने काडचे पडले. सो दॅट टेन्शन आनी हे जर पळयलें जाल्यार इट वॉज ट्रिमेंडस. हाव यू वील
I can tell you on behalf of the revoked holders, I know because some of them went through a lot of mental trauma and anguish for the last 18 months. What they are every 3 months दुसऱ्या गावांत म्हणजे आउट ऑफ स्टेट एक्झिट विजा काढून दुसरी विजा घेऊन तांकां येवचें पडटालें. सो दे हॅव बीन सफरींग व्हेरी बॅडली आनी आतां तेंचो जीव मातशें समाधान जाला. सो इट इज अ बिग रिलीफ दॅट सायड कितें हें सोल्युशन येवन.
So is it because of government wants to resolve this issue or it is because of you have approached the court and this case फाल्यां जावपाचें आहा?
फायनल हियरिंग जावपाचें आहा. आतां कितें म्हणपाचें? सी
फर्स्ट how many writ petitions are pending before the high court in this regard?
आमी 4 घातल्या. ते पयलें एक पिटिशन आहलें EN फेर्नांडिसाचें आनी एकल्यान कोण घातला. टोटल 6 पिटिशन्स आहा. So all will be, I think, will be disposed of tomorrow.
Yeah. Correct. After this new order.
आणि म्हाका दिसता हे OCIचे ओ रिवोकेशनाचो इश्यू नासलो अंटील दॅट सर्क्युलर केम इन 2021. सो म्हणजे कोणें केलें? हेच गव्हर्मेंटान करूंक ना तें. अननेसरी तेंच्यांनी तो सर्क्युलर काडलो बिकॉज इट वॉज बेस्ड ऑन विदाउट एनी एप्लिकेशन ऑफ मायंड. सी आतां पुरावे आता बिकॉज एक बारकेलो सर्क्युलर काडून तेमी प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व केलें. कितें रिवोक्ड पासपोर्ट दिल्यार OCI मेळटा म्हणटा. वॉट इज द मिनींग बिहायंड दॅट? दे हॅव फायनली रियलायज्ड दॅट रिवोकेशन इज सेपरेट फ्रॉम OCI.
No, this is at their own wisdom or it's because of
no, I think
you approached the court and
we approached the court आणि 16 तारखेर पहिले हियरिंग जालें 16 तारखेर हियरिंगाक होच आर्ग्युमेंट चलतालो. The judge and the advocate and the government advocate who is defending their case. The argument was, why are you mixing up revocation with?
And what was the stand? What was the stand of government in this? That
government advocate was lost, no?
No, but what was his stand for defending that?
He didn't have any answers. Okay. In fact, he was asking for more time of 2 weeks, which the judge refused and told him, you have to answer this thing by the 24th of.
I think Honorable Mahesh Sonak was the judge.
Yeah. So you see, the picture was clear to them that they didn't have any answers to this. And
technically, they are not. Means their stand is weak.
Yeah, very weak, very weak. Yeah. Because see, I think even we were saying it from the right of the beginning. Govan was saying OCI is our birthright, as because that is the argument in the court that was happening, that since by naturalization, since we are born in India, we are entitled for OCI.
Okay. Yeah.
To me passport revoke kora amchi, no problem. But
yeah,
by naturalization,
at least give you me a document that I can stay in India.
Yeah, exactly. So I think possibly this circular kalla, it came after this. They thought that okay, things are not going in the favor, and they had to come up with a solution to salvage something out of it.
So now we will come to the second part of this problem. That is one who has just taken the assent. Taken means they have shown their willingness. In fact, it is assent is they have shown the willingness that right now they are not a citizen of Portugal, but in future they may be.
This as per Portugal stand, they say Portugal says they are citizen of Portugal.
Yeah.
So आता इंडियाचे कितें stand ते पळोवंक जाय.
Yeah.
So आता आमी कितें government see last time Dr. Pramod Sawant had given two suggestions. One is on the revocation and one is ते म्हणून जालें. आता दुसरे suggestion ताणें म्हणलेलें until a person surrenders his Indian passport, the Indian government will continue to treat him as an Indian citizen.
No, but it should be come in the black and white.
Yeah, it should come in black and white. That is what I am saying.
This is not this decision should be taken from the center, not from the state. Yeah.
No, it has to come from the MEA only.
Yeah.
And they must actually deal with all these issues and come with a clear-cut solution for all these issues pertaining to Goa. तेन्नाच इश्यू सारके बरे भाशेन सॉर्ट आउट जातले.
So now, सांग.
आता they have just dealt with only one part of the revocation. The bigger picture or the bigger issue is still looming ahead.
What is that?
This is the one. Means what is the solution for the people who have registered their assent?
Why they have registered for the assent?
Because as I said, they wanted their children to benefit from to apply for the Portuguese passports and things like that. But
you mean say out of 16 lakhs of Govan, around 1.5 lakh?
Yeah, there will be. I think so, but the exact figures you might be able from other sources.
Okay.
Yeah. But म्हाका दिसता the MEA आणि आमचे गव्हर्मेंटान सगळ्यांनी एक्टिविस्ट कोत्तले म्हणून रावंक जायना. This is an issue pertaining to Goans. आनी सरकारान इनिशिएटिव्ह घेवंक जाय to resolve these matters so that things are very, in a clear cut.
Last 10 months, you and your other colleagues were doing the agitation in Goa. Agitation means sort of awareness campaign like. Taka kaso हे आसतालो and how it was taken by the affected persons or by this one Goans?
No, we received this issue actually caught Goa. Affected all Goans. They touched everybody. Yeah, lots of people. And आता फकत ते रिवोक जावन आता 500 जाले म्हणून काल फिगर येयला. पण 500 जाण न्हू आणि रिवोक कोण नासतना आणि 500 जाण आसतले. Because after this
they have not gone and surrendered.
They have not gone and surrendered.
Yeah.
So and technically what the issue resolved जायना आहलो. Slowly people would have added more numbers to this.
Okay.
So people everywhere, because we know the calls I'm getting from Portugal, Ireland, UK, everybody all across the globe, people are affected by this decision somehow or the other. And everyone was worried.
Any economic angle is there in this?
Economic angle म्हणजे लोकांचे एक प्रश्न बघालो न्हू.
No, fear is okay. तांचे भितर भंय आशिल्लो की आमी आतां खंयचे सिटीजन आर वी ऑफ पोर्चुगीज सिटीजन ऑर आर वी विथ आर ऑफ दीस वन इंडियन सिटीजन दॅट इज फियर हे आशिल्लें फियर सायकोसीस आशिल्लें पूण एनी इकॉनॉमीक प्रॉब्लेम आशिल्लो काय म्हणटा ह्या हातूंत भितर
ना आय डोंट थिंक सो इकॉनॉमीक प्रॉब्लेम फकत तांचें फियर कितें आतां कशें येवपाचें म्हणजे त्रास पडटले आमकां अर्दे जाण म्हणटाले आमी लायक देर आर सम पीपल हू लेफ्ट डिस्पायट OCI म्हणल्यार मागीर पळोवया सो सम टूक द चान्स and went abroad and they are working there they said okay let I'll come with a
एक तांकां जो कायदेशीर हे मेळपाक जाय आशिल्ली तकाय मेळपाक आशिल्ली तितलें तें मेळना आशिल्लें and now we will come to that second issue that assent issue आनी एक बोवाळ जाला की one of our minister is denying it तो सांगपाक सारकें नांव घेवपाक जाल्यार आलेस सिकेरा बिकॉज हीज अर्लियर हे आमचो आसा आमदार आशिल्लो तो मिकी पाशेकर डायरेक्ट नांव घेवन एलिगेशन केलां दॅट ही हॅज नॉट हॅविंग पोर्चुगीज पासपोर्ट बट ही हॅज दॅट एप्लायड फॉर द असेंट आलेस सिकेरा सो हो इश्यू कितें
So this is the same issue, just like Alex Sikir, or there are a lot of other Goans also who are just done the assent. Now I want to Alex Sikir got assent. How not?
No, this is allegation by Mickey.
Yeah. So if
Alex Sikir has denied it completely.
Okay. If he has denied it, if he doesn't have it, then it doesn't affect him. But if he is having an assent, technically, as per this new circular that has come in, he is a Portuguese citizen. So,
and he cannot be MLA.
Yeah, exactly. आता हे लोकांचे तर बिकॉज दे रजिस्टर्ड द assent तेंचे तर पासपोर्ट रिवोक जाताल्यो डेफिनेटली ही ऑल्सो विल बी इन ट्रबल नो
and second thing is that he is holding the post of minister
exactly
and सांगना फुडले सांगता तुका and if it is proved that if he is means even though he the Portuguese national asthana he has taken any decisions as a minister in Goa then all the decisions will be null and void जावपाक पडटली
Actually, it will be a big mockery of the whole democratic process in a sense, like because technically, if we take him as a foreigner, then he is actually taking a foreigner is taking decisions in the government today. So this is what,
and that too in BJP government.
BJP government and utilizing public funds and whatever. All this, the government has to bring clarity on this issue. It is not only because of Alex Sikir, because there are thousands of, as I said, lakhs of Goans who have done the assent. So, an answer is required for this also. Then this issue will be solved. Either they can give dual citizenship like Pondicherry, that is one solution, and the issue is totally covered. Other issue is they must treat these people who have done the assent as Indian citizens until they surrender their Indian passport. If they take this stand, then everything is clear.
So, but any assurance has been given to you by CM or anybody from the government?
No. In fact, he himself made a statement when he went with Alex Sikir to meet Meenakshi Lekhi. He had given these two solutions. The don't problem one problem is about revocation. Te aami sutave kele or to sutava zalo anta. The other issue he said is about assent holders. And the solution that we will treat them as Indian citizens till they surrender their Indian passport. So the solution has come from him only. So he has to get it in black and white now.
Now, after the revocation of the OCI passport, that only the statement has come. Circular
now it will appear from what I have heard from the listing sources that it will now appear notification will be in the Gazette.
So till it has not been.
No, it has already gone to all RPOs. All across, all missions across. Indian missions in the country.
Only in writing. It is to become. Second thing is अनेक कित्याक लागून हे सगळें तुका विचारता हांव नाव लोकसभा इलेक्शन्स अनेक by any year they wanted to win the South Goa seat because it is for them it's a prestigious seat. And the timing of this आमचे OCI तुका कन्सिडर करपाचें is the same with म्हणजे आतां फाल्यां आनीक 5 दिसांनी voting जाता.
They can give dual citizenship like Pondicherry. That is one solution. And the issue is totally covered. Other issue is they must treat these people who have done the assent as Indian citizens until they surrender their Indian passport.
Okay.
If they take the stand, then everything is clear.
So, but any assurance has been given to you by CM or anybody from the government?
No. In fact, he himself made a statement when he went with Alice Sikir to meet Meenakshi Lekhi. He had given these two solutions. The दोन प्रॉब्लेम आहा म्हणलेले. One problem is about revocation. ते आम्ही सुटावे केले. और तो सुटावा झालो आता. The other issue he said is about asset holders. आणि तेणे solution सांगलेले that we will treat them as Indian citizens till they surrender their Indian passport. So the solution has come from him only.
Yeah.
So he has to get it in black and white now.
Okay. आता हे तुगेले आता रिवोकेशनाचे जे OCI पास म्हणटा that only the statement has come. Circular आयिल्लो हा.
Now it will appear from what I have heard from the listing sources that it will now appear. Notification will be in the Gazette. Yeah.
So till it has not been.
No, it has already gone to all RPOs.
Okay.
All across all missions across.
Okay.
Indian missions in the
so
country.
Only in writing.
Yeah.
It is to become.
Yeah.
Yeah. Second thing is अनेक वकात कित्याक लागून हे सगळं तुम्ही जाता हो. Now Lok Sabha elections. Around there and by any year they wanted to win the South Goa South Goa seat because it is for them it's a prestigious seat.
Yeah.
And the timing of this आमचे OCI तुका consider करपाचे is the same with म्हणजे आता फाल्यां अनेक 5 दिसांनी वोटिंग जाता आहा आनी एक ताजे वोटिंगाचे 20 दिसां पयलीं हो डिसिजन आयला. तुका कितें दिसता हाका आनीक ताका इलेक्शन आनी रिलेशन कितें आसा?
I think there's a little bit of play. As I said, आमचे ते पयला petition कशें वयता ते.
Because most of this affected हे आसतले साउथ गोवा आसतले.
आता पळय हे तर डिसिजन 24 तारखेर कोर्टांतल्यान येयल्लें ताका कांयच बेनिफीट मेळचो ना फाल्यां which I am sure it will come in our favor. So because from the hearing they 16 तारखेर जाला तेजेर तांकां मातशें अदमास मेळलो तो कशें आतां तें. So they have tried to salvage something. I feel that is the way. That's the thing. But in the overall round, for me as people who are fighting for this, we are just happy that the matter is finally over.
Will it be हाका आमचे कोण ते BJP benefit मेळटलो in terms of votes?
See,
especially from the minorities.
People who have
especially from the minorities.
Yeah, I see. It's up to the people.
Yeah.
The people are very wise now. आता हे कोणाक रिलीफ मेळल्या तांकां वोटिंग नासलें.
Okay.
Revoked passport holders.
तांकां
कांय ना. ते actually Portuguese citizens. So तांकां आता तेंची फॅमिली हांगा आहा. How they will react, how they will vote.
Okay.
It all remains to be seen.
Or that आनी एक message तांकां धाडपाक आशिल्लें that we are also with concern. We have concern of the minorities. So we have taken the decision. So the message वचून बाकीचे minorities can means change their mind. So हाका लागून बी अशें दिसता तुका?
I think I feel that the whole issue might be एक बारी कितें दिसता हो सगळो इश्यूच क्रिएट केल्लो काय म्हणून. Because when you really look at it, see 18 महिने तुमी काडले. इतलो बारीक इश्यू with a internal circular काबार जातालो.
Within 1 week or 2 weeks it would have been
if you had to apply a mind, you could have sorted out. इतले आंदोलन करून इतले आमी मागले कळ्ळे पयले अरे बाबा ते कोर्ट येवचे आदी ते बंद कर म्हणजे सुटावो कर तुमी करूंक ना. तुमी आमकां वयल्यान भरपूर खर्चान घातलो 4 पेटिशनाक कोर्टान घालो म्हणजे पयशे वयता भरपूर आनी हे सगळें जातोच तुमी आतां सोल्युशन काडटा म्हणजे इट वॉज लायक
तुमी रिकवरी मागपाक जाता गव्हर्मेंटा कडल्यान because of your unnecessary we have to spend this much of money.
Exactly.
So you pay us this one.
So that is what maybe they have done it due to elections, but as I said आता ते घेऊन बसपाचे ना. The thing is people have got relief.
Half the battle you won.
Half the battle is done, and we will pursue this second matter with the government and in the court also, because one petition is dealing with this.
Okay. About the assent.
One petition is dealing with this.
Okay. So ह्या साजेर आमी ही चर्चा हांगा थांबयतात. ह्या हातूंतल्यान एक लोकांक थोडी तरी क्लॅरिटी आयिल्ली आसतली की सद्याक हो इशू कितें, गव्हर्मेंटान जे सोल्युशन काडलां तें कितें, आनीक जे उरल्यात ते इशू ते हे कितें. आनीक म्हाका एकच आतां तुका लास्ट सांग, तुका दिसता की आतां तुवें हाफ तुमी गेलो पार्ट तुमी हे जालो सक्सिडेड, सेकंड पार्ट जिखतले दिसता तुका?
डेफिनेटली इट इज नॉट अबाउट जिखतले वो ना तें. एज आय सेड हो इशू गोंयकारांचो इशू कोणें सॉल्व करूंक जाय?
गोंयच्या
सरकारान इश्यू सॉल्व
with the help of central.
It is not that we have to fight for it.
Okay.
Everything we don't have to fight. You understand, no? तुम्ही आता तुमचे MP काढता ते कित्याक काढता or तुमचे MLA कित्याक काढता ते because they should understand these are the issues of Goa and slowly in a time bound manner.
But your MLAs have raised this issue in the ज्या मॅनरान हे करपाक जाय आशिल्लें.
I think see आमी जेन्ना हो इश्यू घेतलो आमी आझाद मैदानाचेर व्हडलें शिबीर घेतलें हुंय. ओपन मायक सेशन आनी जायते MLA थिंगा येवन पर्सनली आमी कोणाक आपोवंक ना ओपन कॉल दिल्ले आनी मेनी MLAs केम and spoke on this issue, including Vijay Sadesai, Carlos Ferreira, Viresh Borkar and many others. हेजे फाटल्यान इश्यू पावलो हुंय इश्यू हावसान गेलो मरे. So there was a big discussion in the house also. So it was the issue.
And even CMan commitment dilo that we will resolve this issue.
Resolve this.
Yeah. अनेक म्हाका आतां एक सामको तुजो लास्ट क्वेश्चन आसता हे की सद्या गव्हर्मेंट BJPचे आसा ते परत जिखून परत येतले काय ना दॅट इज सेपरेट इश्यू. पूण जर आयले परत आनी विथ देर टोटल तांचे जर पॉलिसीज आनी पळयले विल दे अलाव टू ड्युअल सिटीजनशिप दिसता तुका विथ देर टोटल सगळे पॉलिसीज पळयल्यार हे पळयलें का नॅशनल पॉलिसी
तेंचे दुसरे पॉलिसीज पळयल्यार इट डजंट लूक दॅट वे बट if you really go to see dual citizenship is the way for the future. That is where the whole world is.
So deal kara सगळे total India दिवचे पडटले ना only they cannot separate Goa एकच otherwise you have to give a special status for Goa आणि ताका लागून एक गोंयाक मेळटा अशें तरी कितें
that is one like give special status for like on the lines of Pondicherry. The other is give dual citizenship for all Indians. But that is a bigger issue.
ना but BJP दितले का म्हणतो काय
सी आता कितली वर्सां जालीं OCI काडली सी the first demand for dual citizenship came long back. It's only then Vajpayee came with the solution of an OCI. In lieu of
so solution has started by the BJP only.
Yeah.
Okay.
See, people were
but
demanding.
That time it was Vajpayee. Now Modi.
No, Vajpayee.
No, now is
Modi. So actually, people were demanding that dual citizenship a long time back. Then, because they didn't want to do dual citizenship, they came with this OCI formula. आणि आता कितले वर्सां जाले रे.
सो एकच जाता जे सगळे इश्यू सामको सामको रिजॉल्व करपाक जाय. So what is your solution? A final solution on this issue?
Final solution, dual citizenship will resolve everything.
Okay. So ह्या ताजेर आमी ही चर्चा आता सद्याक थांबयतात. आमी इतल्याच खातीर ही चर्चा घडोवन हाडलेली की लोकांक अजुनूय कितें डिसिजन घेतला आनी हे ताची क्लॅरिटी नाशिल्ली. सो क्लॅरिटी येवची हो एक आशिल्लो आनी दुसरो गोंयकाराच्या मनाक कितें आसा तांकां नेमकें गोंय सरकारा कडल्यान कितें जाय हें कळचें ह्या खातीर ही चर्चा आयिल्ली. तूं म्हणटा तशें ड्युअल सिटीजन दिल्यार सगळ्याकच बरें दिसतलें गोंयकाराक पूण ते BJPक जातलें काय ना म्हणटा व्हडलो क्वेश्चन आसा. पूण तरी आसतना अदरवायज एक आतां OCI हें करून एलाव करून जे तसो हें करा तसो आसायन आसता तांकां until then unless they apply surrender दे तितले पसून तांगेले इंडियन सिटीजनशीप कंटिन्यू उरपाक जाय. ही तुमगेली जी मागणी आसा ती सरकार कन्सिडर करतलो अशें दिसता पळोवपाक. अदरवायज नाजाल्यार तुमी म्हणटात तुमकां कोर्ट ओपन आसा. सो हाजेरूच आमी अशी एक हें करया आशा करया की हाजेर आतां पयले फर्स्ट पार्टाचेर जशें सोल्युशन गव्हर्मेंटान काडलां तशेंच हें आतां फुडल्या काडटले ही आशा दवरया आनी हाजेरूच आमी ही चर्चा थांबोवया. एन्थनी तूं आयलो हांगा देव बरें करूं. फर्स्ट आमी एक डिबेट केली आतां म्हणल्यार एक मातशें उतर हें जावं आमगेलें कितें म्हयनोभर वचूं पूण ताका एक फळ मेळ्ळें. आतां ही सेकंड डिबेट. सो आनी एखादें तुका म्हयन्यान आनी तेय मेळटलें अशें दिसता.
वी होप द मॅटर गेट रिजॉल्व सून.
सो आनीक हें रिजॉल्व जावपा खातीर तुका आनी म्हाका काय ना तुवें एप्लाय केलें नासलें हांवें एप्लाय केलें नासतलें. इट इज अ लार्जर पिक्चर गोंयकाराचो हो इश्यू ताका लागून हो इश्यू रिजॉल्व जावपाक जाय इतलेंच आमी हांगा मागतात आनीक ही चर्चा हांगा थांबयतात. एन्थनी तुका देव बरें करूं आनी आमचे जे सगळे पळयतात तांकांय देव बरें करूं. पळयत रावात गोमंतक TV.